From Daily Forex, this is Chris, and I'm taking a look at the Bitcoin market. You can see we're hanging around 6,900, and this is kind of a strange market right now. While the rest of the world is on fire, this is the bullish case for Bitcoin. It's not doing anything, and if you are a long or short trader in the stock market, you can't say that. This has been a beacon of relative stability. And those of you who have followed me over the years know that I am not necessarily a believer in Bitcoin. So I have to say, in that sense, I'm somewhat impressed. But when you look at the chart, you can see this is an area here that should cause resistance, and so far it has. I think what we are seeing here is a simple lack of volume. The markets are just going sideways, and I think the 50-day EMA is going to continue to offer resistance. If we can break down below 6,500, then the market will go to 6,000. Below there, it comes unraveled. The bearish case, besides the technical analysis, which Bitcoin does seem to adhere to technical analysis pretty well, is the simple fact that it's done nothing in an environment where the entire world's on fire. I mean, just yesterday we saw negative prints in the deliverable May contract in crude oil. And today, or I should say during Tuesday trading, WTI hit $6.25 a barrel, which is cheaper than the cost of the actual metal barrel itself. So here's the thing. In that environment, Bitcoin should be operating as a safe haven. So you can take that out of the equation. It's not a safe haven. Otherwise, we'd see a spike. I believe at this point, Bitcoin is entering a crossroads. Either institutional clients are going to come in and pick this up and really drive it higher, or they're not. And right now, a lot of funds out there are getting killed. That oil move yesterday, in the next few days, you'll be hearing about a couple of funds that blew up. There's absolutely no way that crude oil can trade at negative $37 a barrel without, by definition, funds blowing up. So at this point, I suspect there's probably more downside than up. Although I will say I'm not expecting a meltdown, and that in and of itself would be a victory in the current environment that we see in so many different assets.